What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dog, man. Back with another video, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. This probably about to be my most favorite video that I posted about my 6'1". I'm not gonna lie to you, with the SRT8, man. Simple as that. As y'all can see, man, we got both cars right here, man. If y'all already see by the title, man, we about to change these rims. These rims came when I bought the Chrysler Shell before we did the swap, bro. These are some KMC 5 spokes, bro. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of these. Y'all comment below if y'all like these rims or not. We finna change them things today, cause it's just not my cup of tea, man. I need some SRT rims on here. If it's the 5 spokes, if it's the Hellcat rims, if it's the original SRT8 rim, we gotta change this up though. But before we get into that, man, make sure y'all drop a like on this video, man. Let's get this video to 300 likes, man. 300 likes, I know we can do that easily, man. Make sure y'all go check out the other videos we dropped on the 6'1". We about to drop a whole bunch of videos, man. Not gonna lie. And we actually gonna race these boys very soon, man. 6'1" versus the 5'7", man. But we gotta clean this 6'1" up first, man. Get these rims changed real quick. Let me obviously, you know what I'm saying, move the car around real quick. I need a little bit more space in the garage so we can jack this thing up. Get some rims and put them on. Simple as that. And also, don't forget, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe too, man. At 15K, I'm gonna keep saying it every video, man. We got a surprise, man. Follow me on Instagram at 300dog as well. I'm gonna follow some of y'all back. And let's get straight into the video, man. Let's get a cool little cold start on the 5'7" Hemi thing, you know what I'm saying? Get a little cold start action on it, man. You know what I'm saying? God damn. Now, I would cold start the 6'1" for y'all, but yeah, man, we gotta, y'all already know. It's an old heirloom, man. I'm in the heirloom car right now, artifact. We finna go ahead and change all 4 rims, man, get this light off, and have a better looking rims, man. Simple as that. But let me go ahead and scoot the score over real quick. All right, y'all, man, so we got this bad boy scooted over, man. But yeah, man, check out these rims, bro. I'm not a big fan of these rims. I'm not gonna lie to you. These 5 spokes, I'm definitely gotta change these. I'm not gonna lie. So shoot. But yeah, man, we finna start ahead and go, we gonna get the jack, you know what I'm saying? We gonna start with the front rims and then we gonna work to the back, man. Simple as that. Probably gonna meet up with the guys later, show them the new rims, get some reels in, I don't know, man. But no, for that talking, man, let's get straight into it. I'm not gonna lie, we do got a problem though. I ain't got no rims right now, man. So, let's wish. Can I please get some rims right now? 3, 2, 1. Hey, man, y'all see it, man. We got the original SRT8 rims, man. We finna throw them on the Chrysler 300, bro. Yes, sir! As y'all can see, bro, they need to bring this back. The SRT engraved into the rims, bro. Come on, man. All engraved in all 4 of them, man. So we finna throw these bad boys on real quick, man. Like I said, we finna put the jack, get the jack stands, and get to work, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think we got, hold on, let me see the size of these things. I think we're gonna be, yeah, these are all different sizes. Not all different sizes, but. So we got 245, what's that say? 245, 45, 20s in the front. And then we got, what's this one right here? I know, yeah, this one way bigger. And then we got some 255, 50, 20s, man. These going in the back, man. These bad boys going in the back. So, yeah, 245s in the front, 255s in the back. What are these in the back? These are 245s in the back, man. So we're gonna have a little better stance in the back as well. So I'm hella excited, man. We got the original SRT8 rims, man. We're gonna clean the car probably next video, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Definitely gonna clean the car next video. Shit, let me go get the jack real quick, and we finna get to work, man. I hate doing this without somebody recording me, bro. But we got the little tripod, man. So we're finna use that, bro. All right, man. So if some of y'all don't know how to change the tire, bro, make sure you take the lugs off first, and then we gonna jack it up. Then we gonna take this rim off, put the other one on. All right, man, now we're gonna jack it up real quick, man. All right, man, we got the old rim right here, man. If y'all wanna buy these, man, let me know in the comments, bro. I'll say these for like $100 for all 4. Great deals on those. Yeah. And then we got the new motherfucker right here, you feel me? So we're gonna put these on real quick. All right, you guys, so we got the new rim on, as y'all can see right now, man. We're finna put these lug nuts on. These were the old lug nuts on there. These old nasty ones, bro. But we found these OEM ones back in the trunk, man. So we put these OEM ones on, bro. And I always hand tighten them before I, you know what I'm saying, use an impact or, you know what I'm saying, 4-way or something. But y'all should know how to do this. I ain't gonna lie, it's 2026. I ain't gonna lie. So boom, man, we got the first SRT8 rim on, man. They got the 245s in the front. Probably gotta put a little air in it. It does look flat as hell. Put some air in those in a second after we done. Gonna get to this back one real quick. All right, y'all, so I just went to war with these lug nuts, bro. 2006 lug nuts is impossible to get off, bro. Spent literally 40 minutes to get the rest of the lug nuts off. I got all the lug nuts off. So now all we gotta do is jack it up and replace the wheels and put the OEM lug nuts on. That ain't hard to get off, bro. So let me hurry up before it get dark real quick, because I feel like every video I do, we go to the next day. Let me try to hurry up and do this, bro. So let me go ahead. We probably go time lapse everything real quick. We do got one of the rims on, man. I can't wait to air that bitch up, man. But this gonna look way, I feel like those look way better than these, bro. And it kind of matches like the colorway and the chrome, bro. So I ain't gonna lie. Enough of that talking, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so we got both rims on, man. I ain't gonna lie, we gonna get this car out the garage so y'all can see how it really look, you know what I'm saying? But we got the right side done, man. I ain't gonna lie, all these tires are low-key flat, bro. But we got the original SRT8, you know what I'm saying, rims on the things, man. We gonna do a time lapse for the left side too, man. We already got the lugs off, so it should be easy. This thing looking smooth, man. I ain't gonna lie. We probably gonna go somewhere real quick. Actually give y'all a run around like in the like sun a little bit. Well, the sun going down a little bit, but this looks way better, bro. SRT8 original rims, bro. And actually wrong, 265s in the back. 265s in the back, not 255s. 265s in the back, 245s in the front. That's the stagger I got on right now, man. But this thing looking smooth, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. What y'all think, bro? Original SRT8 look, bro. You feel me? Had to put the original stock booties on, man. No cap. They gotta bring this back, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Let me go ahead and air some of these tires up. Some of these tires is a little low. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Probably gonna have to record tomorrow. It's getting a little dark, man. I'm on high quality for y'all. So in the daytime, this happens every video, bro. We gonna do a run around the car in the daytime, man. So I'm gonna see y'all in 2 seconds tomorrow.
1 day later.
What's good, y'all, man? Today is the next day, man. As y'all can see, we are in downtown St. Louis. I ain't gonna lie, our scenery low-key tough. I need to clean my mirror, though. But also, y'all let me know how to fix my rearview mirror, bro. I don't know how to fix it. I ain't gonna lie, I don't got it on me right now. It's in the trunk, I think. But anyway, man, we about to go to a little spot, take a couple reels. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all see the rims in the daytime, bro. Forget the nighttime, man. We're gonna go in a little alleyway or something. Hopefully, nobody stick your boy dog up, you know, or at least try, you know what I mean? Cause I got that blicky.
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah.
That motherfucker blicky. Good little vet right there. I ain't gonna lie, our downtown is low-key tough in the loo. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. But anyway, man, we finna go probably cut one of these alleys soon, man, and show y'all, you know what I'm saying? The 6-1, you know what I'm saying? I like this little alley right here. I ain't gonna lie, I like the little reels right here. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hold on, we gonna park somewhere. And I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown of the Chrysler 3 Hyundai, man. Simple as that, bro. Yeah, a quick little rundown of the Chrysler 3 Hyundai. And y'all let me know, man, what y'all thinking, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me get a little rundown real quick, bro. Y'all let me know, man. All right, man, daytime with it. I ain't gonna lie, I like the stock. I ain't gonna lie, I rock with it, y'all. I like the stock look on it, man. The stock booties on that thing, man. Good look, it look like a real Rolls Royce. I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm rocking with these rims though, cuz these rims clean as hell, bruh. Not gonna lie, look way better than the other ones. It like matches the car, like it's supposed to be on there. Like, you feel me? It's like a luxury classic Chrysler look, but you know what I'm saying? You got your Brembos with it, you know what I'm saying? We gonna have to, I ain't gonna lie, we gonna redo the Brembos. I feel like every other Brembo was cool, but the front passenger, bro, not gonna lie. Yeah, those cool. These cool, yeah. So we just gotta paint the other side gray and get a black Brembo sticker and call it a day. I ain't gonna lie to you. Probably, I mean, we might as well just paint all of them fresh gray. But this is the stock OEM look, man. Y'all let me know in the comments section WL right now, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section right now, bro. But this look is clean as hell, man. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna get it all detailed. We're gonna fix the window. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't want to fix the window, but yeah, it's too bad. I ain't gonna lie. Gotta fix the window, fix the rearview mirror, get the cut that off, you know what I'm saying? Or put it back under. Everything else is good though, man. SRT8, we're gonna probably paint that red again or get a new badge. But this thing looks way better than before. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, WL in the chat, man. WL's in the chat, man. I'm gonna get a couple reels for y'all real quick. In about 2 seconds. 2, 3, 1.
Hey man, this bitch so bad, my nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, this bitch is bad as hell, nigga. It's BBE, nigga. You hear me? I know the real striker boys, nigga. It's BBE, nigga. I put my life up on this shit, you hear me? Man, I'm the type of nigga, I'ma keep it real, bro. I'ma state the facts. Okay. Make sure you take the tracker off before you hit the track.
All right, y'all, man. I just met up with my boy SRT.
Oh, wait, I was trying to say 392. That's not my name.
This nigga here, man. How you think about the wheel, cuz?
Hey, man. I think this made this motherfucker look a lot better. And there's a lot thicker on the
A sticker?
It's thick on the stick.
Like how thick?
No Richie.
No, all Richie. Hey, cuz. Chill out, cuz. Chill out, cuz.
Hey, what you think he meant in that song, though? When he said, baby, can you help me? You think that's what he was talking about?
Bring the groceries inside. That's it, cuz. That's it, man. I just gotta get a wash now. You feel me?
I mean, it's kind of getting
It's kind of it is raining, but
you need a real one.
I need a real one. At least soap. You know what I'm saying? I know this is what you be doing when you take showers. Though, just get wet and just hop out.
How did you know?
Oh my god! Did my girl tell you? Hell no, we ain't got no lighter right now. Hell no. You ain't got no lighter, bro. You never had a lighter in the first place, though, bro. But hey, man, we gonna get the other Brembo. We gonna paint that one.
And the Brembos look a lot better.
No doubt.
With these
No doubt. I really.
The wheels you had on here before was actually trash. So the owner, if you had this car before him, hey man, why did you do that? That was
Yeah, it was pretty ass. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, man, I just want to show my boy AJ, man. We finally finna just cruise real quick. You can't do nothing crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's raining right now. You know.
I know I had to come to St. Louis because gas in Illinois is $6. Over here it's $4.
How much is it? Is it $4 still?
It's $4.49.
$4.49?
But in Illinois, it's $6 even.
Yeah, this is the cheapest I've seen. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's definitely cheap. Hey, what's y'all gas prices in y'all state, man? It's our shit right now. You feel me?
And hey,
That's crazy. That's crazy. The 93 almost the same as it.
Exactly. But I'm a broke guy, nigga. Because I only put a 20 ball in there.
Hey, but I'm gonna see y'all next video, man. Y'all stay tuned, man.
Wait. How many likes they gotta get on this video?
They gotta get 250 likes. I told them that.
What's the next thing we think about doing?
Diablo tune.
And then race me?
No, can I race my 5.7 first to see how that does? Cause I don't think that's beating my 5.7. Everybody keeps saying the 6.1.
Comment below, bro, if y'all think the 5.7 beat this.
I think my 5. I got 8. I got 8 now.
Are you gonna run the stock tune, brother?
Is that the only way to make it fair?
No. This is 400. This is 400 plus horsepower. Your car doesn't even have. It's 370.
Nigga got it, man. Hey, but I'm gonna see y'all next video. 250 likes on this video. We gonna get the Diablo tune next video, man. Simple as that, man. Give me the 250 likes. I'm gonna see y'all later. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed. And I'm out, man.